guys, my name is Gilbert Sheaton. This is my '96 Chevy S10, and it's got a V8 in it. I'm just say that much. It's got a V8. Let's pop this bad boy's hood right quick. All this paint coming off. Weight reduction. Don't worry about it. Now you see, I know how to open my own car's hood. I may not know how to give Sheaton a second. This is a V8. My cold air intake. That was my old turbo, and I laid it there because it's gonna rust out, and when it's rusted out, it's like it'll never be there again. And it's my other turbo with a supercharger stuck on it, so I get twice the horsepower. This baby runs about like 955 horsepower, and it says V6 because when I'm at car meets, I like to trick people and think it's a sleeper. And actually, when I pull it out, it's a V8. I engine swapped this bad boy. This is my ABS. It's black and white, so that means I have good braking when I'm on white asphalt and when I'm on black asphalt. This is my ECU. I got it tuned for 2 shots of nitrous, 16 psi. Also, my turbo, my Garrett turbo's running like 10 psi, and I don't know how this motor's not blown up yet, but that's just how good I am. And this is my washer fluid, because I wash this bad boy a lot, because I go racing in it, and I pull bitches in it a lot. This is where I put my fat bitches, right? And see what I do is I get in here, and I fuck them, and then we sit here and talk a little bit. I give her a tea, and I kick it the fuck out of my car. I like to jump like this like a badass. And then I got windows like this, so I'm doing a drive-by. I do this. I'm like, hey, you motherfucker! Nah, fuck you. These are my Fisk 18-inch wheels. I got Yokohama. I used to be into dirt bikes, and Yokohama's the best. You don't use Yokohama, you're gay. My headlights say point in, so when I'm fucking my midget bitch is right here, like a dog. I'm also making porn. They shine in, so like it's a spotlight, right? And let's start this bad V8 for you. Start it right quick. So you push in the clutch all the way. You fucking. I think it's out here. Now, see, the reason why I saw it a second ago, because the gears are so short and close together, because I do circuit racing in Nürburgring in Germany, and that's just how good I am. But let's start up again. Push the clutch all the way in. You wait. Start it. Hell yeah, America! Now, hey y'all, I'm Gilbert Sheaton, and this is my shit stick.